Hey guys, this is open box review and a quality test of this ceramic capacitor kit. This kit including 300 pieces of ceramic capacitor value from 10 pF to 10 microfarads. This is everything included in the box. Here's the welcome card, and they including 3-pack, each pack color coded by yellow, blue, and orange. Each pack has a 10 value. Each value contains 10 capacitors. So the weight about 0.9 ounce for each pack. It's pretty convenient. Very good size. Here's US quarter. Here's the seal tip. Let's remove it to open each pack. Here we go. We'll start from yellow. This is picofarads. Let's open it up. Count it if there's a 10. This is actually 10 pieces ceramic capacitor. Let's do a quality test. I randomly pick some parameter for the test. Let's start from 10 picofarads. My multimeter is not able to read that low values. 6.8 nanofarads. This actually gives 7.25 nanofarads. 0.47 gave a 0.49. And 3.3 nanofarads gave a 3.1 nanofarads. Very actually close. You can read the percentage on the screen that I calculate. 22 gave it 22 mu. And this is about a 1 mu, 10 nanofarads capacitor. The actual reading is 10.34 nanofarads, very close. Here's the storage box. The size is very compact. I can put it in my electronic storage pack. Very convenient. You can see all the resistor capacitor in the same box. Very convenient to store and very convenient to find the right capacitors. All the 300 capacitors are actually labeled, sorted in the plastic boxes inside this organization box. Very easy, very convenient. Overall, it's a pretty good quality of capacitors. The value of the 300 value covers a wide range of capacitance. Easy to find, good quality. The quality test is about under 10% errors, so it's acceptable. Very good for the DIY project. 5 star from me. That's my review. Thank you.